Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, I've just taken this trade and I was in and out in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Easy, 60 pips, no hit in the trade. And I want to break this trade down for you. If you missed it or if you got it, good for you. But let's go through this trade together and see how it has evolved. So, the process is the same. As you can see, as I tell you, I come to the market after 9, after 8. So the first hour, I usually give the first hour of the open, before the open, to set up and give me the direction or the bias of the day. Now, as you can see, yesterday we had a big drop, okay, which, well, somehow was irrelevant, but as you can see, the day evolved. We went down, and then prior in the gap time we had this pump to the high. Now, as you can see, it's 1 push, 2 push, remaining the 3rd push for the move down. That is my thesis. So when I come to the market at 9, this is what I see, and let me read you what I write in my journal. So as you can see, the high of the day is set. That is number 1. Number 2, as you can see, the money above the first hour has been triggered. So I don't believe we are coming back again to the high, because the high of the day has, right? And then we have the first push, second push. This is our 3rd push to the high. So the 3rd push triggered the high of the day, triggered the money, and then boom, engulfment. Now, when we go to the 1 minute time frame, still we're in the first hour. This is not something that is conclusive. So to me, this looked like a consolidation, but if I'm not sure about anything, I just let the market continue. I give the market time to give me a correct setup, something that I'm familiar with. Now, the market continued down, breaking of structure. So this is breaking structure. This is breaking down. The price is falling. Okay, the market continues breaking down, and then gives us another higher high. So I can have my trend line now. So as you can see, we have our trend line, a nice trend line here. It's not a very strong trend line as the way, a market that is, well, if you go to the higher time frames, you can see what I mean. A trending market is creating elaborate higher highs, higher lows. Anyway, this is capitulating. Well, let me not call it capitulating, but this is a market that can reverse quickly. So the market continued. Now, this is a good entry if you trade the breakout of this consolidation. But to me, I need more confirmation. So I'm waiting for 9:30 for the market to open, so that I can see how the market open behaves. And the market continues breaking down, and then at 9:30 gives us a small pump to the high. But in alignment with our trend, we want the market to move in, 3 pushes. This is 1 zone, 2nd zone, 3rd zone, or 1st level, 2nd level, 3rd level. 3 pushes. Remember, this is just a retest. 3 pushes, retest, and then to give us a nice, break of structure. As you can see, retest, engulfment. This is the entry. 9:43, that is the entry, 2 minutes before the candle closes. That was my entry for a 60 pip move. And as you can see, It was a nice move. It has moved over 100 pips. But I'm cool. I'm good with whatever I get from the market. It's a good risk-reward ratio. As you can see, it has already moved over 120 pips. But yeah, you get what you get, and you know, take money off the table and move on. Tomorrow you'll still have maybe an opportunity, maybe not. Who knows? All you have to do is just, you know, hope for a better tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully for those who don't understand how everything works, we started simply by looking at the high of the day. The high of the day is the highest price the market has reached prior to our window. That is our high of the day. Then the market pierces the high of the day. Then boom, very nice drop. So yeah, always align yourself with the trend, and yeah, always learn from the market. Every single day is an opportunity to learn. Hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, stay disciplined, stay focused. May the markets go with you. See you in the next video.